Welcome back to another episode with ByrdAdatto. And Michael, today it feels like Groundhog Day all over again.
Why do you ask that?
I mean, remember yesterday we shot a video. We gave a legal aid update as to what's going on in the state of Texas. The conflict between the state of Texas and Dallas County. Remember all that?
Yeah. That was
Well,
just
yeah, it turns out while we were shooting that video, this is why I think we're living. For those not familiar with Groundhog Day, it's a movie about that the plot. It's basically you keep reliving the same day over and over again. Well, in this case, we're reliving the fact that we will shoot a video based on a law that we reviewed. We will release the video, and after we release the video, it becomes irrelevant just hours after releasing the video.
so whatever we're about to say is going to change.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So what Brad's alluding to is our video yesterday talked about the conflict between the governor's orders and the particular county's more specific rules, and we were specifically talking about Dallas, which was more limiting, and that the governor had given Dallas that power. And what Brad's alluding to is the governor took that away around the same time that we were shooting the video. And so everything has changed, and everything from our video yesterday has changed. Brad, do you want to give everyone an update of what the new normal will be starting May 1st, especially for our healthcare?
As we're shooting this video for clarity, as we shoot this video, so since it keeps changing, it appears effective May 1st, Texas is reopening, and I'm going to call it a soft reopening, so that medical and dental practices, it appears you can reopen. And I say that's a soft opening because there's a lot of pieces that come with that. Maybe Michael can give 2 seconds on that piece.
Yeah, so to be clear, it will reopen to the extent it was before, from the standpoint that everyone is able to operate. We talked before about the surgery suites being excluded in the prior governor's order, and those appear to be open. Med spas appear to be open, and all other medical and dental appear to be open. The qualifiers appear to what we expect is the Texas Medical Board will come down with some emergency rules sometime between now and May 1st, and we expect those to center around PPE and maybe other protocols they expect to be followed to ensure safety and protection from COVID-19. That's kind of in the spirit of prior medical board rulings and governor's orders, and that's what we expect to be the case here. But I think everyone can plan to be back in business if you're a medical practice or a dental office on May 1st.
Right. And I think the last piece to keep in mind, if you are planning to open on May 1st or even the few days later, and we've talked about this in other videos, is you need to start thinking about what are you going to do to protect your staff and your patients. And obviously, because of that, you're going to have to think of the things that you're going to need to do from a facility cleaning perspective, how you sterilize it. As Michael alluded to, the PPE, what are you going to do to get that equipment, what requirements you're going to have. And luckily for the state of Texas, there are a lot of good things out there about just opening a regular office, which is going to be required to walk in the front door. So just look at those things first before you even start thinking about letting a patient through the facility.
Yeah, and just know that the rest of the country is going to be looking at Texas, and so the things we all do as business owners is going to significantly influence the reopening around the country. And so 100% agree with Brad that we have to be smart, and I would expect for the dental practices and medical practices, and really for other businesses, to be sensitive to the employees and where they are from an emotional standpoint in coming back, and be prepared to spend the time talking through that, and of course helping that through the policies that Brad just mentioned.
Excellent. Well, that's all the time we have today, but thank you again for joining us, Michael. Always good to see you.
All right, good to see you too. Thank you.